back to another video. I just got into the studio. It is Thursday, 1:17 p.m. I was supposed to have a client this morning at 10, but unfortunately there was some illness in the family, so she had to cancel her appointment. So I've had a slow start to my morning, nothing exciting. Just picked up some sushi to have before my appointments today. I have 2 appointments today. I believe both of them are tier 1. The first appointment, I believe we're doing something a little festive. The second appointment, we are doing some chrome line work, I believe. Oh, shit. You know where they have those rip tabs on your soy sauce? I always end up ripping it too small, but it's fine. It can come out. That's all that matters. Other than that, nothing too exciting going on. Actually, I did just receive in a parcel from Tat Toronto, which is, I believe it's Japanese and Korean nail supplies. I get my cuticle nippers from them. They're really great, but I also ordered in some ice gel chromes, which I'm very excited about. It was like a sunset series. I think there's 5 chromes, and then I got a few other little bits and bobs, but also I originally placed the order for the cuticle nippers, and then I just couldn't resist the chromes. So I'll show you guys those. I'm pretty excited. I had planned on coming a little bit early to swatch them, but you know, I was on my couch and I didn't. So. Also, my entire studio is on slant. Oh, this way. I think I need to get a rug for under my table, because like, you just let yourself go. That wasn't a good example. The other day I sat down in this chair. I slid all the way into the kitchen. So I was against getting a rug because, you know, dust and stuff. But if I get one, like a ruggable, no, I'm probably gonna get Instagram ads, something that's washable, I feel like that would be okay. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my sushi. I'll show you guys my little Tat Toronto package later. Oh, also I ordered a package from Sweetie Nail Supply this morning. I can't wait. Here's my box of stuff. Okay, so first thing I got was this ice gel pack. So there's a bunch of different chrome powders or glow powders in there. Look how cute this is. The best quality for the best person like you. I love that. So for these guys, I got a free gift with purchase. It's a powder top gel. So this is the base you put down before you put the powder down. I'm guessing it's black, hence a black, but let's see. Nope, it's clear. Okay. You can see the consistency, or can you? It's super, super runny. So it's not like your typical, like what you'd find in a pot, I'd say. It's a little bit more runny than that, which makes sense. Like I think this is just like almost a sample size. Does it say? Yeah, 3 grams, which I did order a bottle of it. I didn't know that this is what came in there, so I ordered the top gel. I used the Daily Charm one, sorry, but I thought I'd give this one a try considering it pairs with their gels. And this is 9 ml. So again, it's not a huge bottle, but you know, how often do you use chrome? Maybe not that often. And then these are the powders. You can't really see, you can maybe see the shift to them. So this is a pink platinum, which looks really pretty. It has like almost a teal reflect to it. This is white platinum, which I feel like on their swatches was more of just like a silver. Look at that. They're so beautiful. Anyway, so I'm looking forward to swatching those. And then it comes with this little swatch card. I kind of wish it was like one of the ones with stands so I could prop it up. Maybe I'll just like tape it to my shelf or something. But anyways, got those. And then for swatches, all my tips are really long. So I ended up ordering these Camille nail tips, which are, I don't know if you can see, they're really short little tips, and they're, I think, made for like swatch cards, like display cards. So they're super teeny tiny, but I think it'll be perfect because then I can probably stack two, so I can show one with white and one with black base. So I ordered those. I got some 180 grit e-file sandy bands. The only thing is you don't get it's 30 pieces. You don't get very many in these little bags, but I do like this one. So I just ordered one pack of that. I think it was probably like $7. And the reason why I actually placed the order, cuticle nippers, I got one in jaw 14 and one in jaw 12. I couldn't remember what I had when I ordered these. I'm thinking I might have jaw 12. But anyway, so I ordered one of each. Give them a go. These are my favorite cuticle nippers, and they're the most long-lasting ones. I only just buggered up in the move one of my sets of cuticle nippers of these, but otherwise I've had them for ages, and then they disinfect really well, and they don't rust, and they're great. So I really, really recommend those. And then I got this. This is kind of a little bit of a random purchase. So it's the Apres like marbling ink, and you can see it's in this like metallic brown. And I thought that that would be really, really beautiful to use. Yeah, I don't know. I've never really worked with them before. I had ordered some on Daily Charm. Like I ordered like a black and a brown. And I don't know why, but they really like stained. I couldn't really move them around. So I'm excited to give this a try to see if it's like the product that I was using or if it's me. It very well could be me. But yeah, so I ordered that. And then I ordered basically the same idea. And these were both on sale, which is why I ordered them also. This is Cocoist Bleeding Ink, and this one's in a metallic silver. So again, I thought that these could be really cool if I'm doing some abstract art rather than just marbles, which is what these are typically used for. I thought that these could be really interesting, so I'm excited to kind of play with these. I do have some time off after Christmas too, so I'm thinking I might just get in here and kind of mess around a little and, you know, have some fun. And then they gave me a free little gift, which is very cute. Oops. Just these little nail charms. Got some little like pink stones wrapped in wire. Got these little like stone tiles almost. I'm not even sure how I would use these. Might be cool to like do a huge like clear glob over top of them. And then these little like rose gold. They look like beads, but they're almost just like snipped wire. Yeah, these are cute too. Yeah, not something I would usually order for myself, but I will try and make use of them. And that's all. That's all I got. Quite a bit of stuff. More than I had intended on buying, considering I was just going in for these. But you know, here we are. We've arrived. Just finished off with my first appointment. Eating a few mini eggs and waiting for my next client. We are doing, sorry, there's a helicopter. We're doing Gel X and I think a nude base with some silver line work on top. So it'll be cute. I didn't get video footage of my first appointment because she was running a little bit late, so pushed things a little bit late. But that's all. These are the candy cane ones too, they're very good. Just finished my final appointment earlier than I expected, so it was nice. So I'm just gonna get all cleaned up and head home. I was gonna show you guys some of the product that I had shown you earlier, like demo it, but that's gonna wait until another day because I just feel like going home. Hello, hello, it is Friday morning. Didn't think I had time to vlog this morning before my appointment, but turns out my appointment's at 10:30 and I'm here sitting at my desk at 10 o'clock waiting for my client to arrive. So I do have time, although I don't really have much to say anyways, but I'm just gonna do a few things around the studio. Ooh, I'm gonna swatch my new crumbs. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna go do that. Bye. Just finished up my client. I am just gonna get tidied up quickly and make some noodles. Because I didn't have them yesterday, or the last 2 days, I suppose. And now I want them. Kimchi or chicken? What is the question? Chicken. And then I didn't get to finish swatching my chromes. My hair, I washed my hair today, so she's wild. I didn't get to finish swatching my chromes. If I have time, I'll do that after. But if I don't have time, I'll do it later. Sorry. Soup time, noodle time. Mom's coming in for removal. I'm on the floor eating finicky mini eggs, as per usual, and I'm about to watch some of Unorthodox Life. Just started the first episode. She said she was in my area early, and so I texted her saying, okay, come in. She just hasn't responded, so I'm gonna do that until she gets here. I just finished up with my last client, and I do both his and his girlfriend's nails, and they just got matching nails. I did M's nails the other day. I'll show you here, the heaven-inspired nails, and then I did Josh's nails to match. Like, just a subtle little touch of nail art. So fucking cute, but they gave me a little Christmas gift, and it's a little spoon ornament. I'm gonna go home and hang it on my Christmas shrub. It's so cute. Hello, I'm just sitting down at my desk. My appointment finished a little while ago, like 20 minutes ago. Got some leftover salad, and I just ran and grabbed my laptop. I'm going to start editing the video while I eat because my next appointment isn't until 2, so I have an hour and 20 minutes, which is nice. I'm mostly cleaned up already too, which is even nicer. So I'm gonna have a snack, gonna do some editing, see how far I get in a video. I'm gonna try and edit a vlog. I have more fun editing nail videos than vlogs, but I also haven't edited a vlog in a really, really long time. So maybe I feel differently. Let's find out. So my client just texted me saying that she's running a bit late, that traffic is brutal. So I'm gonna quit editing the video. I didn't end up editing a vlog, I ended up starting to edit a Vanessa nail video, but I'm gonna just make a tea and sit on the floor because I don't have a comfy chair yet, and maybe watch My Unorthodox Life, but I also wanna queue up all my like nail photos into drafts, just so they're ready to post. But I should also like chill. I'll have a tea though, that sounds very nice. Just finished a removal on my final client of the day. Now I am covered in nail dust, as one is, and I'm just going to clean up and go home. Sorry, this lens is so dirty. It just doesn't seem to get clean. Yep, 2 appointments tomorrow, both are. I'm excited.